Today's video is going to be on how I mix up my banana and avocado deep conditioning mask. First, you need some measuring tools, a container, an egg, 1 avocado, 1 banana, some mayonnaise, and some extra virgin olive oil. I usually add a little extra honey and some coconut oil. Hey you guys, beat up your egg before you get started. Cut your avocado in half and take out the seed. Then just take a spoon and scoop all of the avocado into your mixer. I use an extremely overripe avocado because it just seems so much easier to blend with the banana and all the rest of the ingredients. Then I take my banana and I cut it up into slices and add it into the container with the avocado. I then mix them up. You want this concoction to be as smooth as possible, no chunks. It's easier to wash out when it's really liquidy, so make sure that you get it real smooth. So keep blending until there's no more chunks of bananas or avocado. Once it's smooth and blended up enough, then you can add your extra ingredients like your egg. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Okay, maybe I add a little bit more than that. Then 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to add just a half a tablespoon of honey. And a half a tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, maybe a whole tablespoon. And then you blend those up together. You want this to be smooth as well, and you want them to be completely blended into the avocado and the banana. Once you have this blended well, you can simply put it in your container. I like making this because it's something that me and my daughter can actually make together. I didn't have her make it with me for this video, but you guys, it's very simple to make and very beneficial to your daughter's hair. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter.